Let us understand lookahead assertions. We will be focusing on positive lookahead, which uses the following syntax: question mark equals. This is used for pattern matching. The key idea is to match patterns based on what follows, but without actually consuming those characters. So, what exactly is lookahead? Think of it as the ability to peek ahead in a string. It allows you to check what comes next without moving the cursor position. Also, it is a zero-width assertion. This means it matches a position rather than actual characters. Therefore, it does not consume any text during the matching process. The syntax for a positive lookahead is as follows: open parenthesis, question mark, equals sign, then the pattern, and finally a closing parenthesis. This asserts that what immediately follows the current position in the string must match the specified pattern. But remember, the matched pattern is not included in the final result. Let's look at a basic example. Consider the pattern: test followed by a lookahead that checks for ing. The regular expression for this would be test, open parenthesis, question mark, equals ing, close parenthesis. This pattern will match test only when it is immediately followed by ing. So it will match testing, but it will not match tested. Here's how you might implement this in Python. First, import the re module. Define your text. For example, testing tested test. Next, define your pattern using a raw string. It would be our test, open parenthesis, question mark, equals, ing, close parenthesis. Use the findAll function from the re module to find all matches of the pattern in the text. Finally, print the matches. The output will be a list containing only test, because it only matches the test in testing. Let's consider a practical example: password validation. Suppose you have the following requirements for a password. It must contain at least one digit, it must contain at least one uppercase letter, and it must be at least 8 characters long. We can achieve this using lookaheads. The pattern would be a caret, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot star backslash d, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot star, open square bracket, a hyphen z, close square bracket, close parenthesis dot, open curly brace, 8 comma, close curly brace, and a $sign. To enforce multiple conditions, you can chain multiple lookaheads together. For example, a pattern like caret, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot star backslash d, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot star, open square bracket, a hyphen z, close square bracket, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, question mark, equals dot star, open square bracket, a hyphen z, close square bracket, close parenthesis dot, open curly brace, 8 comma, close curly brace, and a $sign. This ensures that all the conditions such as digit, uppercase, and lowercase must be satisfied in the password. Here are some key takeaways about positive lookaheads. Firstly, they are zero-width, meaning they don't consume characters but only assert conditions. Secondly, they are combinable. Multiple lookaheads can be chained together to create complex validation rules. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.